This model kit review is of the Focke-Wulf TA152H. It's a 1/72 scale model by Revell. There are the dimensions, and here's some details here about the plane. Nothing else really on here. So we'll take a look at our sprues on the inside. So first of all, here we've got our left fuselage, and these are all raised panel lines. The exhausts are molded in, and here's our elevator, wheel well covers, looks like our spinner, wheels here, not a lot of detail, and then there's our engine cowl with the exhausts, I guess the air outlet for the radiator. Here we've got our lower wing, and all raised detail. Here's the upper wing, and it doesn't look like there's any wheel well detail there, so that's a little disappointing. There's the other wing, again same story, no wheel well detail. We do have some flashing on the edges that'll need to be sanded off. We've got our pilot here with some heavy mold lines, and here is our propeller also with mold lines on the edges here. Here's the other fuselage side. It's the right half, and elevator. Looks like we've got additional wheel well covers there. There's our tail wheel, radio mast, that's for our propeller, and I guess that's if you want to have your wheel up, your tail wheel up. And then no real detail here on the inside of the cockpit. Here is our, that's our canopy. So now we're going to have a look at our instructions and our decals. So surprisingly, we've actually got some nice decals here. Let's have a look at our instructions. It's a little odd the way they've printed this. So here's some details here about the plane. And let's have a look. You can see where our colors are. There we go. There the colors are that you need. Looks like you're doing some mixing. We also have a parts listing, but it doesn't really tell you which of these ones you're using for wheel well covers, so I guess we'll have to wait and see. So we start off with the pilot on his seat. Not a lot of detail in that cockpit. And we've got our this looks like our propeller and spinner. There's our landing gear, and looks like the maybe air intake. We've got our cockpit going in, as well as our fuselage going together with mounting of the firewall and engine. Next we have our wings being built, and then wings are mounted along with our elevator. And then our landing gear is mounted. And that's if you want to have the wheels up or wheels down. There's our cockpit canopy going on there. Here is the painting and decal guide. So, molding quality is not that great, and the details of the cockpit are non-existent. The wheel wells also have no real detail. Decals are not too bad though.